What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today we're looking at the SingMix 5, which is a hybrid amplifier and receiver that can be used in karaoke, for pro and DJ use, for commercial applications, and even in home theater setup. I have one here in front of me. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Alright, so right away we have two rack ears, as well as the screws that you can use to screw them onto the side of the SingMix 5 to rack mount it. Here we have a remote, just another way to control all the functions. And here we have the main unit itself. You can see it has a beautiful design and aesthetic, so it'll blend perfectly into whatever use you choose for it. Now on the bottom there are 4 circular legs for increased stability on tabletop surfaces, a beautiful blue display, as well as blue LEDs around the master volume and mic volume knobs for increased visibility in low light situations. Now on the front you'll notice there are 3/4 inch microphone inputs, and there's also 2/4 inch mic inputs on the back for a total of 5 wired mic inputs. Now remember, you can always use these 1/4 inch inputs for wireless mic systems and get even more mics on the SingMix 5. So now once you plug in a mic into one of the 5 inputs, there's a couple different ways that you can control it. So there's a 3-band EQ for treble, mids, and bass, so you can get that really dialed into what sounds good around your voice. And there's also delay effect. So there's 2 parameters that control the delay effect. There's the actual amount of delay, and then there's the delay speed. So if I turn it up, there's more delay. Delay! And then remember over here, this knob controls the overall volume of all the mics. On the back of the SingMix 5, there is RCA outputs for just the mic signal, so you can send just the mic signal to another set of effects or another mixer. Now also on the front of the unit, we have a 2-band overall system EQ for the music or whatever is coming in through it, as well as a balance knob which will control the left to right phase. Now right below the display, you'll notice these buttons over here. So the A and B buttons stand for the 2 channels on this unit. Each channel has 2 sets of speaker wire terminals for stereo sound, and they can each accept bare wire or banana cable. And each channel can run down to 4 ohms, so you can have 2 8-ohm speakers on each channel for a total of 4 speakers. Now really cool, you can select which channels are playing with the A and B buttons on the front. This means I can use them as a zone controller. Say I'm using the SingMix 5 in a restaurant with ceiling speakers, I can have a group of ceiling speakers wired to channel A in one part of the restaurant and another group wired to channel B in another part of the restaurant. I can have music play through the whole system if both of the buttons are clicked in, but say some people don't want to listen to the music at the time, I could turn that zone off and then just have it playing in the other area. Now the SingMix 5 has a wide variety of playback options, including USB, SD card, FM radio, and my personal favorite, Bluetooth. And on the rear, there are 2 RCA inputs labeled aux and BGM, which you can use for iPads, DVD players, TVs, video game consoles, you get the point. There's also an optical in as well as a coaxial in, which is great for integrating into home theater setups. And just like there is a mic RCA output, there's also just a line RCA output, so you can send the signal to powered speakers, another power amplifier, even a powered subwoofers. So this is a very expandable system, which is great for pro and DJ use. Now the SingMix 5 has a built-in amplifier that is capable of producing 600 watts of power. So we actually set up a demo so you can hear what that sounds like. Let's go check that out. All right guys, we are all set up with our demo here. I have 4 SPGN 258s running on the SingMix 5, 2 to each channel, the 4 ohm load. I have my phone connected through Bluetooth. Let's listen to what these sound like. Here we go. Heard the SingMix 5 is a complete powerhouse, which makes it really great for a variety of different applications. For karaoke, you can pair these up with our KPS speakers and use the 5 mic inputs with effects for a complete setup. For pro and DJ use, you can use it to power speakers for large and small setups. You can use the zone capabilities for gyms, restaurants, retail stores, and other commercial applications. And the clean aesthetic helps it blend seamlessly into your home theater setup. So if you're looking for a powerful and versatile hybrid amplifier and receiver for your setup, look no further than the SingMix 5 from Rockville. As always guys, I'm Mike from Rockville. I'll see you next time.